Guys, look at that sunshine. Man, such a beautiful day. So I just came back from the barber. Got myself a haircut. Been well overdue. My birthday is this weekend, so I had to go to the barber to kind of get a clean up. My goatee is back. That will be happy. That will be very happy about that. So just downtown, guys. This is what downtown looks like. I'm sure you guys would have seen it a million times. What downtown Grand Prairie looks like. It's now 6:20 in the evening, looking like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's gonna be looking this way until probably 10 o'clock tonight or thereabout. Yeah, I'm just chilling out a little bit. Probably take you guys on a little walk. I'm not sure what I'm doing yet. I know that I'll be probably taking the kids to the park. Yeah, so let's do that. Let's go and take the kids to the park. Yeah guys, so I'm back at my apartment building. I'm gonna go in and see what Nats and the kids is up to. See if they want to go outside, go to the park kind of thing. Yeah guys, so we're not going to the park as I thought we would have, but instead we're going shopping again. We're not by our, I don't know. But anyways, we're at Superstore again, guys. We're going in to grab some stuff again. So come along on that journey. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And plus, at the end of this video, guys, we will be sharing our very first TV interview. We are so excited. It was a wonderful experience. Smash a like on the video if it is that you saw that interview. How do you feel for being on TV?
It feels good.
Feels good? Something you can get used to?
I'm used to it.
Oh, what is?
It's my third time. It's your first time, so.
It's my first time, so I'll take that. Anyways, guys, we're going into Superstore and stay tuned up to the end of the video. We'll share that interview in full. All right, guys, come along. Also, another thing, guys, it's now 9 p.m. at night. It's now 9 p.m. and this is what it looks like. Well, I'm there, somewhere like a car. Yeah, it's now 9 p.m. at night. When you guys are seeing this, you guys gonna be seeing this on probably a Saturday, which is my birthday. It was not filmed on my birthday, but you will be seeing it on my birthday. So be sure to drop in the comment section happy birthday, Dems. I'd greatly appreciate it. Smash a like on the video, guys. Run up the likes, run up the numbers. You must can do that for my birthday. That's what I want for my birthday, for all of you guys to subscribe to my channel. Come along, guys. You have to get something from the customer service. Oh, sure, there. Guys, I know I'm asking a lot in this video, but if you're watching this video and you're in Edmonton, link up. We'd love to meet as much of you guys as possible. We'll be in Edmonton at the end of the month again. Of course, you guys know Edmonton is our second home. So if you guys are watching this and you're in Edmonton, link up with us, man. We're gonna be there for a little bit longer than we used to, so we're gonna have some time to spare. Usually it's a quick run in and run out, and then we don't have time to link up with everybody. But we know you guys who are in Edmonton. Link up. All right, guys. Yes, guys, we're done. Strapped to our egg. Here it goes. Yeah, it's now 10:05 p.m. and it's just beginning to get dark. Don't you just love Alberta? Feel like I have a lot of hours in a day.
Yeah.
Like we went to work, did a number of other stuff after we went to the barber. You know, number of other stuff, and still feel like so we have time in a day. Yeah.
But it's night.
It's night, but you can't tell. That's what it is. Yes, guys, another grocery shopping. Well, we didn't really pick up significantly much stuff. We'll just kind of do a little kind of top up kind of thing, just to take us through another week or two kind of thing. Big shout out to all the persons who are watching this vlog right now. We appreciate you guys. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and definitely leave a comment. It really helps out the channel. And road to 6,000 subscribers. Can you believe that? Man, we have a little community that's growing. It's growing. Thank you guys so much. We'll continue to just do real authentic content for you guys. I'm happy that you guys like the content that we've been doing. If you have any suggestions as well, videos that you'd like to see,
No more shopping.
suggestion of videos that you'd like to see, you can throw it in the comment section.
No more shopping.
What do you mean no more shopping?
No, I'm not using her shopping now.
Right.
No
I thought you were addicted to shopping. Wasn't
I'm
that what?
addicted to shopping.
Wasn't that what you said in the last video?
Yeah, we're females and we're addicted to shopping right now.
But now you're tired of shopping.
Not tired, I'm just trying to. I even know me I tried to, but now no more shopping.
You don't know.
No.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, we're gonna leave you guys with the video of our first TV interview. It was done on CVM TV. Huge shout out to CVM. Huge shout out to the host. And the producer. Big up on yourself. Thank you guys so much for that. You know, for the exposure, for the opportunity. And you know, enough respect, enough blessings. And hopefully you guys enjoy this interview as much as we enjoy doing this interview.
Most of their lives here in Jamaica before migrating to Canada in an effort to give their daughter opportunities that they didn't have. They started a YouTube channel to share their story with the world, with their world of experience here in Jamaica and also in Canada. So let's welcome to Sunrise this morning, DiAndersons, content creator of DiAndersons, and his lovely wife, Natasha Anderson, also content creator of DiAndersons, to share their story. Good morning, Demar and Natasha. Welcome to Sunrise. Good morning. How are you doing? Morning.
Be here this morning.
Yeah, awesome. So, Demar and Natasha, you have a story. It's one that embodies decision. It embodies determination. But before we get into the meat of the matter, I just want you to share with us a little bit about your upbringing. You grew up in Spanish Town. What were those early experiences like for you?
Okay, before we get into it, I just want to say a big shout out to CVM at Sunrise and big up to all the viewers who's watching right now. Growing up from Spanish Town, Jamaica, grew up in a very volatile community after living in a city in Spanish Town. That's where I got all of my formative years. I spent most of my adult years there as well. It definitely shaped my character to be who I am right now, to know that, you know, you can overcome whatever challenges that come your way. And just a sign of resilience and just determination and just strength, right? So that's my upbringing in terms of knowing that your circumstances or your surrounding doesn't necessarily shape who you are, but can use it to become a better person, right? Definitely. What about you?
I'm from Clarendon. I'm from Clarendon, a small rural area in Prairie. And my upbringing was like Damar, but it was rough. And from that, determination, as you said, and striving to success.
Right. So you both had to navigate different life experiences, but at some point you came together as husband and wife, and then you had to navigate experiences together. And so you came to a point where you had to make a decision to migrate. Tell us what influenced that decision.
So it was a multifaceted decision, actually. Growing up, I was never foreign-minded. I was never the kind of person who saw myself living overseas. I always thought that I would be like Jamaican, like, well, I'm Jamaican, but like through and through. But the decision to migrate came when we had our first daughter, Malika Jade. She was born in Jamaica, and then her early years, we noticed that she was a bit developmentally delayed, and we were trying to get resources in Jamaica. We didn't have a diagnosis, we didn't know what was up, but we knew that she was developmentally delayed. So we decided that, you know what, to give her more opportunities to reach her full potential, we had to explore other options in terms of migrating to a country that we think would give her a better opportunity to self-actualize. And that was the decision to migrate came from initially.
Yeah. So when you eventually made that decision, though, was it one that you made with ease, or was it one that came with much consideration? I mean, what if this doesn't work out? I'm leaving my comfort zone. You know, I'm leaving what I'm used to, because all my life I've been in Jamaica. I know how to navigate the different spaces in Jamaica, but no, the prospect of uprooting my family, taking this responsibility as a man, a father, husband, a leader, you know, to go to a foreign land. What was that period like? And I want to hear from you too, Natasha, you know, agreeing with this decision and deciding to support your husband with this move.
That's a very good question, Sharon. That's a great question, actually. And the decision to migrate was initially Natasha's idea, funny enough. She was the driving force behind it, and she had to like do a little bit of convincing. It took a while for me to see the vision, to see the dream. But once I got it, I got it. It was a tough decision, because when you migrate, you have to be willing to start over back from zero. And at the time, we were building our careers in Jamaica. We were pretty stable. We were, you know, on the up and up, as they would say. But to come to a new country where you pretty much have no experience, or have never traveled before, this was our first experience traveling. I always joke and say I haven't even been to Lion Key. this was the first experience coming
traveling overseas. And what was it when coming into a new country? What was it like integrating into a whole new culture and getting acclimatized to the systems? I mean, because of course where you are, it's different from Jamaica. So now you're going to have to reintegrate all over again, reculture, learn a whole new culture, and become comfortable. What was that like for you? Natasha, talk to us.
So for me, it was a learning process. I had to unlearn what I know in Jamaica to learn everything here. It was difficult at first, because we're in Jamaica, we're used to a certain way of life and our system is run. But getting here, Alberta, Canada, you realize it's a slower pace in terms of society, but it's faster in the work section, if you understand what I'm saying. So it's a push and pull, where social life or regular life is slow, but when you're going to work, it's a fast pace, on the go. And learning stuff in Jamaica, like how to work in environments like office and stuff like that, is a totally different procedure. So it was unlearning and relearning.
Yes.
Like you go up in stage, basically.
Yes, yes. And let's talk a little bit about your YouTube page, because you're both content creators. So while you have integrated into the corporate system in Canada, and then you have been making strides. Talk to us about some of the achievements since you have landed in a new country and a new territory, and you're deciding to bloom there.
Okay, so first and foremost, you shout out to Grande, Prairie, Alberta. That's where we're at. It's a small city located 5 hours north of Edmonton. Coming to Grande Prairie was a decision in of itself, because we've never heard of this place before, but it was one of the best decisions that we ever made, because it definitely contributed to my success, I would say, over the period of time being here in Canada. Now, since being here, I have had a number of opportunities that have come my way. I've worked as a manager in one of the big 5 banks here in Canada, and I'm now employed as a senior financial advisor in another Big Five bank here in Canada. So all of this achievement has been done in just 3.5 years. Yeah. I've also graduated college here in Canada because I came as an international student. So in a little bit less than 4 years, I was able to graduate college and attain a number of different roles in multiple banks here in Canada. So I think that's a significant achievement. And also, not to undermine Natasha as when we just came to Canada, it was pretty tough because we didn't have a significant amount of financial resources to rely on, so we had to hit the ground running immediately. So Natasha had to do a number of jobs that she wouldn't see herself doing in Jamaica. She was employed as a janitor. That was her first job. Housekeeper, stuff like that. And at one point, she was even working at 3 jobs. And now Natasha is about to start college, and Natasha is in a good job as well. So there's definitely progress that is being made in all areas of our lives. So we're just grateful for that.
I like the fact that you gave us a real picture of the highs and the lows, because many times you have young people like yourself, you know, wanting to explore the prospects of life overseas, and as Jamaican would have said, foreign and a better rose. So, you know, just as how you have to be determined and work hard here in Jamaica to achieve something and to become something of yourself, it's the same thing when you transition to another country. But I just want to commend you both, you know, and encourage you to continue doing well. I mean, you have done well for yourselves, and I'm sure that some of what you had hoped to achieve, you would have achieved it. Let's just before we go, because I could sit here and talk to you all morning, but just before we go, just tell the viewers how they can connect with you. I know you have a YouTube page. Just share quickly with us your social media details.
So our YouTube channel is DiAndersons Family, which is DiAndersons Family, where we share our life experience here in Canada, coming as an international student, all the way up to where we're at right now. We share our journey unfilteredly. So you can definitely get a real picture of what it's like migrating as regular people, as we call it. On Instagram is DiAndersons Original, Facebook is DiAndersons, and TikTok is DiAndersons. And yeah.
All right. It was great talking to you this morning, Demar and Natasha. All the very best to you.